rocks. You guys, we're trying not to, do not step in the water, okay? No.
Y'all see this? See this? It's gonna all splash like it's some dynamite. Yay! There's a grand finale. He got an acorn. Daddy, acorn man, you going bye-bye. It's dirty.
Raven, don't step in the water, just throw the rock. Throw it. Alright, throw your last rocks, we're about to go.
Okay, last rock. Last rocks?
We are about to go.
Last rock? Gotta be big. Yep, I got the biggest one. Yeah.
Come on, you guys. 10 seconds.
See all these big humongous rocks? You see all these rocks? That's squeaky. All these rocks are squeaky.
Alright, everybody, let's go.
No.
Throw it.
This one.
Throw it.
Oh, I need this one.
Daniel, throw it in the water and go.
I need this big. Oh, I need.
Alright, let's go. Do not.
Wait, I'm only doing a big splash.
Don't step in the water, just go.
This is going to be the biggest splash ever. That's squeaky. This is my rock that I took out the water and it bounced right out. That's squeaky, look. It's gonna make the water run away.
Daniel, Poos, time to go. Yes, Kim. Alright, let's go.
No.
Kim, time to go. Time to go.
No,
Yeah, we gotta go. Everybody say bye-bye to the water.